guys doing today? My name's Charlie. I'm over here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, and with me right here I've got the 131 Road King that we've just built. Got a 131 crate motor in this guy. We've got the Bad Boy Cycle Sissybar attachment on here. We've got the 12-inch factory 47 ape hangers. Make for a really good ride, super comfortable, especially with these streamlined grips that we've got going on with it. As I mentioned before, as you can see, 131, lots of power, lots of get up and go with this guy. We've got it all blacked out. It's got the Reinhardt Racing exhaust on it. This thing's a real powerhouse. If you want to test ride it, want to come check it out, come see Charlie at American Eagle.